So guys, these are the things I got. I hope you can see. I can't see myself. I'm shooting with the back camera. So these are the things I bought and I will tell you my experience with all of these products. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share my Myntra haul. So let's see. I'll share my experience and review of each and every product that I used, and few are new products. So I'm really excited to try them. Okay, so first up, I don't want to delay this. So first up is this mask. You guys already know how much I love this mask. This is my second tub. Okay, so I am really in love with this Tresemme mask. You guys already know it. So this is definitely a restock. And okay, also this mic. I bought this mic from Granero. This mic is really good. I think you guys can see how clear my voice is. So I'm so happy with this one as well. And I bought this mic from Amazon, by the way. Okay, so I bought this moisturizer. This is also a restock of mine. I used this a few months ago. Really deeply moisturize your face. It doesn't do that. But when it's really sunny, I don't want that greasy feeling. So that's why I bought this moisturizer. It's a really good one. Next up, we have this Foxtail hydrating cleanser. I like this cleanser because it is gentle. I wanted to switch from simple cleanser and I wanted to go with something different. So I bought this from Foxtail. I bought both of these products from Amazon. If you want to cleanse your face deeply, then I don't think this will suit you. You have to try another thing. But I already use a BHA pore cleanser from Innisfree, so I thought I should also have a gentle cleanser. So I got this one from Foxtail. And next we have Tresemme heat protectant. I finally got a heat protectant that doesn't feel greasy and that smells really good. And this is that I am literally in love with this. But the only off about this product is the spray. I really wish this was some kind of a liquidy kind of a thing, but it is a spray. I don't like sprays because it goes in my eyes. I already posted one video about this. So that is just one minus point. Other than that, it's fabulous. I am so in love with this. Maybe I'll transfer the liquid to some other thing, I don't know. So let's see, but this one is a must have and I totally love this one. Up, I bought this L'Oreal Paranoma mascara. It was on offer, by the way. It is somewhere around 900, but I got this for 600 or something like that. So I just wanted to get it, and right now I am using that mascara only. So yeah, I really like this one. So yeah. Next up is a restock again. I bought this L'Oreal Dreamlens shampoo. This was also a pretty good steal. I mean, I don't remember the price, but I just wanted this and I bought it. I love this one. We have this body wash from Dove. All of my feed on Instagram is filled with this stuff. So I just thought maybe I should give it a try. But honestly, I didn't like it that much. I don't know what is the hype about it. But I really honestly didn't like it that much. So thank God I bought a small bottle instead of the bigger one. My favorite conditioner from Palmer's Olive Oil formula. Palmer's, and this is definitely my steal because oh my god, I was using the small packet conditioner of this brand, but I finally bought the full size and I'm so happy. This one is amazing. I just love this. Bought this Tresemme Ultimate Gloss Serum. When I saw that gloss mentioned on the bottle, I was like, oh my god, I need this right now because gloss hair is so viral right now, and I was just like, I need to have this serum. And I was trying a serum from L'Oreal from a long time, so I just thought maybe I should give it a try. And this one also have heat protection in this. So yeah, bought this MAC Fix Plus setting spray. You can use this as a primer as well as a setting spray. I used this bottle previously. I should have bought the Dalba one, but I bought this one instead. But this is also really good, but it is pretty expensive. But instead of this, I should have bought the Dalba one, but it's fine. will have to use this only for a while now. So yeah, next up we have this ordinary niacinamide serum that I bought from Nykaa, because this size was out of stock on Myntra. So mine was getting empty, so I restocked this one. This one is really good. I really like this niacinamide serum. Gloss from Inside Cosmetics. This one I bought this 3 times till now, so this one is really good. And I bought this Beauty of Jason Aqua sunscreen. I really wanted to try this from a long period of time. This is 10 ml. I first wanted to try, but 10 ml is not available on Myntra. I bought this from Nykaa. So let's just see how much I like this one. And finally, I bought this under eye patches from Kiro Beauty. I really wanted to try under eye patches. I don't know how to use these under eye patches. I used this once, and I was really confused about how to use this, but I think it is a good thing for our under eyes. I think we should also take care of them. So this one are nice. It's just the placement that irritates me, but yeah, this one is good. It These are all the things I bought. And I bought these clips from Amazon. I got these 3 clips. I don't know, somewhere around 200 or something, I don't remember. So yeah, this was also a pretty nice deal. So yeah, that is it for the haul. I really hope you found some helpful things in this. So if you want to stock up, I would really suggest you to stock up this one. This is my favorite conditioner. Please go and stock this up. And if you want to buy a really good mascara, I would suggest you to buy this L'Oreal Paranoma mascara. This is very good, and it is definitely a steal. It's only for 600 or something, but the price of this is 1,000 rupees. So I think you can definitely get this. And definitely I would suggest you to buy this heat protectant. So many of you were asking me, and I am so in love with this heat protectant. So definitely buy this one. And if you want to try the Beauty of Jason uh, sunscreens, I think I suggest you to buy a smaller size ones, which are 10 mls, and then only go for the fuller bottles, because you can try and see if it's working out for you, and then you can just buy it. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys love this video. Thank you so much.